test drive the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, backup camera, power steering, alloy wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.